In this video, we will learn how to activate Tally ERP 9 license. Go to Start and open Tally ERP 9. You will be at license activation page. Press enter and activate your license. Now Tally will ask to start with administrator rights, for which restart is required. Press enter to start Tally ERP 9 with administrator rights. Now we have to type serial number, activation code and email. I have received these details on email, so let's check it. If you have purchased offline, these details will be written on your CD. Here we have details. Now let's copy and paste these details. Type your email. Now type your email again. Now press enter key. Now we have to use unlock key that has been sent to email. Let's check it. You can see here this is unlock key. Copy it. Now press enter key. Paste unlock key here. Now press enter key. That's all. Now we have successfully activated license of our Tally ERP 9. That's all. Subscribe channel, like and share this video.